How to log in Roblox with QR code. This feature makes logging in faster and more secure, especially when you're switching between devices. I'll guide you through the steps to log in to Roblox using a QR code quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your device. Make sure you're already logged into your Roblox account on your mobile device, as this will be necessary to generate the QR code. If you're not logged in, enter your credentials and log in as usual. Next, on the device you want to log into, such as a PC, Mac, or another mobile device, open a web browser and go to the Roblox website at www.roblox.com. Click on the Login button. You'll see a Use Another Device option below the username and password fields. Click on it, and a QR code will appear on your screen. Now, switch back to your mobile device, where you are logged into the Roblox app. Open up the camera on that device and scan the QR code. Once the QR code is scanned successfully, you'll see a confirmation message on your mobile device asking if you want to log in. Tap Confirm or Allow, and within seconds, you'll be logged into your Roblox account on the other device without needing to enter your username or password. And that's how you log into Roblox with a QR code. This method is not only quick, but also adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that you can access your account safely and easily. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.